I recently dove into Delphi AI, which is how you can clone yourself. And in this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like. When you go to Delphi AI, clone yourself, build the digital version of you to scale your expertise and availability infinitely. This is pretty intriguing for those of us who have online businesses, especially because we are constantly having to figure out how to multiply our efforts. How do we, as one person, show up in so many different places all the time? Let's say that you are a YouTuber like myself. Well, you have to be in your YouTube comment section. Let's say that you also sell online courses. You have to be in the courses and when people are making comments inside the courses. Let's say you have a membership community. You have to be inside there. Let's say that you also are on Instagram and Facebook or TikTok or wherever. You have to be in the DMs of all these places. Now, if you're like me, you basically just focus on one or two platforms and you let everything else just kind of fall to the side. But if you want to do better than that, and I do, and I want to be in more places at once, you have a few options. In the old days, basically what you would do is you would hire a virtual assistant. This would be like another human being that you would hire, and you would say, hey, can you answer my emails for me? Can you be in my DMs? Can you go over and answer comments? And this person would be kind of like an extension of you. And this is a good way to do it because this is a way to like tell that person, hey, learn how I would respond and respond as best you can to people like you or me so that they have the experience of interacting with me and I'm engaging my audience. And you could choose to have that person say like, hey, I'm responding on behalf of Lane, or you could say, I'm just, act like you're me. When I did this, I always had the person say I'm responding for Lane because I want people to know if they're actually talking to me versus talking to a virtual assistant. Well, now it turns out you don't actually have to use a human being anymore. You can use Delphi AI. So let's dive in. I have set this up and I basically spent a few days just giving it what it wants, okay? So I want to take you into the mind. This is where kind of everything happens. So what I did is I gave it content, and altogether I've given it 1.3 million words. And this is everything from like 3 years worth of Facebook posts to everything on my website. In fact, right here, you can go to add content. I gave it my website, socials, I gave it all that, files, you can upload things to it, your podcast snippets, your notes app. You can connect anything you want here. And once it has it, it's going to start kind of working it into it. And so for me, I gave it every lead magnet I've ever made, all the pages from my website. I haven't even given it my course content yet, but I'll be giving it my course content. Right now, the YouTube upload is under maintenance, but eventually it'll have my entire YouTube channel, which means basically it will have 500 plus videos. It will transcribe them and it will learn how I think. Now, it takes all of this along with your purpose and instructions. So you give it a profile, right? So me, Lane Sebring, and then my biography. So this is where you choose what you want it to think about you and how you want it to interact with people. So for me, there's a headline helping you replace your 9-to-5 income with a thriving online course business without hustle, grind, or having to build a large social media following. By the way, that's what I do. If you want help doing that, go to lanesebring.com/workshop. That's my Turn What You Know Into Dough workshop. It's free. It's on demand. You can watch it right now. In that workshop, I'm going to show you how to make your first $1,000 a month consistently online. And I'm going to show you how to do it in your spare time. So if you're kind of looking into this and you're thinking, how do I make an online business work for me in a way that actually turns into consistent income and eventually leads me to replacing my 9-to-5? lanesebring.com/workshop. It's all there. Like I said, it's free. It's on demand. You can watch it right now. Then you give it a longer description. So a longer overview of this clone's identity, background, and experience. This will be displayed on your clone's profile page. So for me, after 15 years as a pastor, I started an online business training pastors on how to preach with confidence and clarity. The business was called Preaching Donkey and was completely online. It started as a blog in 2014. As my reach grew and my audience was resonating with the content, I added a podcast in 2015, wrote my first book in 2016, which was a #1 bestseller on Amazon. 2018, started on YouTube. 2019 course, 2020. So I'm giving it both a timeline and what I did. 2020 started a personal brand called Sebring. That's right here, where I help people start and grow online businesses where they teach their expertise online, build an email list, sell digital products like courses, membership sites. And 2024, stopped making content on Preaching Donkey, put my full focus and effort on my personal brand. Huge part of my personal brand at Sebring is promoting Kajabi, all-in-one business platform. I'm currently the 4th best-selling affiliate for Kajabi with over 500 active users. I'm basically just giving them, here is everything that kind of high level that you need to know about my story, my journey, and where I come from and how I help people. It takes all that into consideration. It's 1 to 5 topics that are relevant to your clone's realm of expertise. I chose entrepreneurship, marketing, sales, education, right? And then Lane Sebring LLC is the name of the company. Social links, again, I mentioned that you can add social links and it will kind of connect to it. Again, when you add content to the mind, you download the data from like Facebook, for example, and Instagram, and then upload it as a JSON file into Delphi. It's pretty cool. By the way, if you want to try Delphi, you can use my link, get 50% off. It'll be in the description. Let's see, 50% off for the first month. All right. So then you go down here, speaking style. So I gave it a video. This was the audio from last week, my YouTube video, Total Beginner's Guide to Choosing a Niche. And then it figures out, based on what it knows about you and what you give it, what your style is. And it's pretty spot on. Response settings, you tell it how you want to respond to people. Now, I actually have a clone of myself that I can talk to. So I can talk to my clone. Watch this.
Hi, I'm Lane Sebring. How can I help?
Hey, Lane, it's me, Lane. I'm actually making a YouTube video about you. Can you tell me how this clone relationship works? Like if somebody interacts with you, what can they expect to learn? What kind of knowledge can they expect to get?
All right, so if someone interacts with me, they're basically stepping into a conversation with the Lane Sebring they know from YouTube, my books, and my courses. They can expect to learn about building and growing an online business, especially if they're interested in teaching their expertise online. I focus on things like creating and selling digital products, building an email list, and using platforms like Kajabi to streamline the whole process. For example, I'd walk them through how to take their knowledge, whether it's in marketing, fitness, or even something niche like woodworking, and turn it into a course or membership site. I'd also help them figure out how to attract an audience organically through content, which is something I'm really passionate about. I mean, my YouTube channel alone has over 400 videos that act as little employees working for me, bringing in leads and sales, even when I'm not actively creating new content. That's the kind of system I teach people to build. And beyond the technical stuff, I'd also challenge them to think about their goals and what's holding them back. Like, what's the one thing they could focus on right now that would make the biggest impact? That's something I've had to figure out myself. Like when I shifted from Preaching Donkey to focusing entirely on my personal brand, it's all about clarity and taking action. So yeah, if someone interacts with me, they're getting practical, actionable advice with a little bit of tough love thrown in there. I fixed it for you.
It's kind of a mind bender for me because it's like talking to me. I mean, that's what I would say. So what are the use cases for this? Like, how do I plan to use this? I have an idea for putting this inside my paid products where people who have bought a course from me, they can comment and I can respond, and that's something that I can always do. But I also have this vision of like having access to be able to ask questions to me inside of my paid products anytime they want. I can help them make business plans. I can help them, sort out their content. I mean, it's almost like having me as a digital coach at all times. And I don't know where it will go exactly, like which courses I'll put it in, or whether I'll build a paid community where this is one of the features. But there's like endless possibilities. You can also connect it to your socials. You can stick it in your DMs. There's all kinds of integrations using Zapier where you can say, okay, I want this to respond to my emails. It essentially is like you, and it's based off of everything that you give it. And if you make content like I do, where I have hundreds and hundreds of hours of content, and I can just feed it, and it can keep taking that content and keep reading it and keep analyzing it, and it can keep like figuring out how I think. This can be something where you can really, really multiply yourself. And one of the things that I'm trying to figure out is, as I'm growing my online business, how do I use AI in a way that keeps up with what's going on? Because it is moving fast, and we can sit back and we can say, it's not for me, it's not human, it's fake, whatever. But it is moving and it is going. And it is kind of like when computers came out and people said, wait a second, humans used to do all this stuff. This is gonna be bad. And then here we are. We're all using computers. We all have one in our pocket. I feel like it's kind of like that. So I'm trying to figure out like how to use all of these tools and how to understand them. And I think Delphi is a really, really good option. And I think it's really cool. You can do a free trial, links in the description. Let me know what you think.